In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split the fare with your friends using Uber's split fare feature. This is a great way to share the cost of your ride smoothly and without hassle. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set for a seamless experience. First, as with any Uber ride, you'll want to start by opening your Uber app and requesting a ride the way you usually do. Choose your destination, confirm your pickup location, and wait for a driver to be connected with your request. It's as simple as that. Once your ride is confirmed and you're matched with a driver, you're ready to move on to the next step of the process. Now that your ride is set, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view the trip details. This will show you all the pertinent information about your upcoming ride. Here, you'll find the option to manage your payment method. Tap on the payment method you've selected for this ride. It's this step that makes all the difference because it puts you one step away from accessing Uber's split fare feature. Next, look for and select the split fare option. This feature is designed to make cost sharing straightforward, ensuring everyone on board can contribute to the fare with ease. Tapping this option will prompt a window where you can add the riders who will share the fare. Here's where you enter the names or phone numbers of the friends you'll be riding with. This allows Uber to send them the necessary notifications and requests. Now, once you've entered the details, it's time to send out those invitations. By tapping the send button, your friends will receive a notification within their Uber app. It's important to remind your friends to keep an eye out for this notification so the process runs smoothly for everyone. As your friends receive these notifications, they'll have the option to accept your invitation to split the fare. Ensure that each person accepts the request through their app to fully participate in sharing the cost. If for any reason someone doesn't receive the request, a quick check-in with them to confirm they've accepted can solve any hiccups. Finally, once everyone has accepted, the total trip fare will be divided equally among those who decided to participate. It's worth noting that Uber does charge a small service fee to each rider who shares the fare, so plan accordingly. This feature not only makes the financial part of ride-sharing fair and even, but also keeps your group's logistics organized. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to share the cost of your ride with friends using Uber's split fare. Remember, this is a great tool to utilize whenever you're sharing a ride with others, ensuring that everyone can travel together while sharing the expense fairly. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough, and happy travels.